He's the same God back then. He's the same God right now. He's the same God back then.